Hey guys, welcome back, and in this tutorial we're going to be talking about getters and setters, which are two different types of methods that are commonly taught to beginner Java students, and they're useful. I'm not saying they're not useful. I'm saying that they're it's just something you should know. So so let's just edit this class here just to have a blank constructor. Uh, There we go. You guys should know how to do that. And then let me go into the driver code and just make this blank for now. So so if it, like, you might question, like, well, what's the point of making a blank constructor for this number if we could just give it to it then? Well, you might not have all the information at one time. Like, you might not know what this number is yet until way down the line. Like, when you make this object, you might still be waiting for the user to tell you like what they want. It's like in this code right now, we have it set like after the creation of this variable, so we know we're gonna have it. But if we move this line of code to right next to the scanner, we wouldn't be able to put num here because num wouldn't exist yet because it's on the fourth line and we're currently working on the second line. So this is where a setter would come in. And a setter method would be, like public void set number, and it would take in the parameters an integer, and then number equal num. So it's kind of like a late game constructor where it's like you already did make the object, but because at the time of creation you didn't have certain information, you're going to give that information to it now. So if we did it like this, then we could do info.setNumber num, and now this program would run fine because we set the number to num for that object. And now that's a setter, and now we're going to talk about a getter. And a getter method would get information for you based from attributes. So you could do public void get number, and getters wouldn't really have to take in any information because you're just getting something. Oh, actually, wait, no, it wouldn't be void. That's my mistake, guys. It would be integer. And we're gonna return number. So this getter method just returns the user's number based on this attribute up here. So the first one sets it, and the second one gets it, which is why they call them getter and setter methods. So the setter, like I did in this example, would be an alternative to a constructor for this example, and the getter would return the method. So you could actually, instead of this message here, you could just write your number was, and then info.get number, and now we run this program. 24. Your number was 24. So this is another way to do what we've been doing for the past probably 10 tutorials now, where we're just printing out a number to the user. So as you can see, there's tons of ways for you guys to do this, and this is why whenever you program, you want to like comment your code, and you want to make your code as clear as possible, because there's so many ways to do something. What might seem obvious to you might not seem obvious to someone else who's reading your code, which is why commenting your methods and commenting your code is really, really, really recommended for anyone who's even thinking of programming anything. So thanks for watching, and tune in next time.